actual Christ. Alright, I need to fix that. Alright, how am I gonna fucking fix that? Hey guys, so what am I wearing? Okay. Okay guys, currently we're in the midst of a cyclone. Well, there's a cyclone just off the coast of where I live, so I figured I may as well do a how to survive a cyclone video. Cyclone just off the coast, her name is Iris. She's one of those bitches who's like, yeah, let's watch a movie. And then, so you're going through Netflix and she was like, no, I don't feel like watching a funny movie. So then you're like, okay, maybe like a scary movie. She's like, I really don't like scary movies. So then you're like, okay, maybe like a drama movie. And then you go into it and you're like, shut. And then, you know, it's been like 2 hours and you still haven't decided on a movie and it's nearly time for bed. So then she's like, let's watch a TV show. So you're going through all the TV shows and she still can't decide. And then she's got literally no idea what she's doing. Nobody knows what she's doing. She's hungry, but she doesn't know what she wants. You suggest KFC, but she doesn't want to eat KFC. That's gonna make her too fat. So then she suggests something like, maybe we'll get Subway. Maybe you just want a salad. Oh my God, that's way too healthy. I feel like something salty. So then you're like, okay, well, what about like sombreros or some Mexican or something like that? And she's like, I do not eat Mexican food. I do not do spicy food. So then after like you suggest 10 more things, she decides she wants Indian food and then goes and gets Vindaloo anyway and it's dead set spicy food and you said, what about spicy Mexican? And she was not into that. It's not that massive anyway. It's only like category 2 at the moment. I think they thought it was gonna be category 3, but I don't know, it's category 1, but who knows, it'll probably be a low by the time it crosses the coast. But anyway, let's do a how to survive a cyclone. Currently there's been quite a bit of destruction in my backyard. We will rebuild. I probably should take my furniture indoors. Everybody else in the whole neighborhood's probably panicked and packed all their shit away, but I haven't done that yet. I don't want this chair flying through this window and making me actually shit my pants. So maybe I'll put my shit in the garage. Right, I put one away and I'm literally exhausted now, so I'm just doing the one. The rest will be fine. It sort of defeats the purpose of it all, but that's, I just could not be bothered right now. I guess now the next step is to go and get food. You need food that doesn't need to stay in the fridge. You need bottled water. You need to have a radio. You're supposed to actually already have this all prepared in a cyclone kit. And if you live where I live, and this is like a yearly occurrence-ish, like you get a threat every year, you should be prepared, but I'm not. So actually, I left a shovel out there. I don't want that to go through my window or anybody's window. I'm gonna get a shovel. I'm taking the shovel inside. Okay, so now we need, yeah, to go get prepared because, you know, we aren't. I'm gonna go get some water, some food. Everyone goes crazy and literally all the bread and milk will be gone from the store. Makes no sense. As he powers out, your milk's gonna go gross. And what are you making? Like, what are they making with bread and milk? Like a big sloppy, like, pudding? Like, I don't know. So we're gonna go get decent food, you know, like fruit, veggies, stuff that doesn't need to be refrigerated, stuff that doesn't need to be cooked. You know, like carrots and shit. I don't think carrots need to be like refrigerated. I am gonna be cyclone fitspiration. Good thing is there is literally nobody at the shops. I thought that it will be here going crazy, but they were probably here going crazy about 12 hours ago. Okay, I think I got everything. I don't know, when I got in there I had a bit of a mind blank, but pretty sure I got what I wanted. Okay, home time. Time to finish preparing around the house. Ugh. Right, so water. This is what I got. And I literally drank half of this on the way home because it's delicious. I'll save this. I've got this much water to last me the next 3 days. Okay, we've got ice cream. Now I know, like I was supposed to get stuff in case the power goes out, but look how delicious this looks. That is amazing. So I got that. Jar of olives, so vegetables that don't need refrigerating. Some corn chips. And some chili brie. Again, like if the power goes out, this isn't gonna help me, but like again, look how good this looks. Like as if I'm not gonna get that. So basically this is what I got. It's starting to get a bit dark and gross now. It's still only pretty early. You can't really tell, it doesn't really look like that in the camera. It looks like, nice and clear, but it's getting a bit gross. We can check the tracking map currently. Right, so this is us. This is the cyclone. Yeah, like it's not doing too much. We're in the warning zone. So you're supposed to fill your bathtub up in case, you know, you run out of water and then you need water. So let's do that. Chuck her in there. Oh, I might just give it a quick rinse in case it's gross. Alright, plug that in. Leave that for a while. Don't leave it too long, you'll flood your fucking house. Like I did that time. Oh. Me. That's some good brie. Okay, that's enough. I think, oh, that will like last me a week of drinking water for sure. What else do we do? Sometimes you tape the windows, but it's not that bad, so. Yeah, I think that's it. I think we just wait. Okay guys, so it's 8:30. I've drank all my wine. I've eaten all my corn chips. I ate my block of cheese. I didn't eat all my olives though, so like I've still got some of them for the next couple of days or the next day. So let's check this update and see what this cyclone is doing. Literally bloody nothing. RS has decided to f off over here. No one is in any more warning zones, and I'm about to go have myself a bath with this leftover wine, and this is why I never prepare for a cyclone. Like, I'm glad it didn't come, but it's just like, this is why I don't prep.